This is how I do spin painting, part 3. Today, I'm using this custom cutout cup for painting later. I will use the open cup pour technique to fill the pre-painted black canvas with colours. The result will be mesmerising, I promise. Have to tilt it back a little as the cup is sliding towards the edge. Voila! The base layer is done. Now it's time to spin it for the magic to happen. And that's it. Do you like it? Visit Spin Paint House to give Open Cup Pour a try. Subscribe to Spin Paint House for more content like this.